In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your transaction in PayPal. Being able to access and print your transaction details from PayPal is a really useful skill, whether you need them for record keeping, proof of purchase, expense tracking for your business, or for any personal financial management. The process is quite straightforward once you know where to look, and in this guide, we'll walk through it step by step to ensure you can easily get a physical or digital copy of your transaction information. Before we dive into the specific steps, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account. If you're not, take a moment to log in using your credentials, and then you'll likely land on your account summary or dashboard page. From there, you'll typically see an overview of your recent activity. Our first step is to locate and click on any transaction you wish to print. On your PayPal summary or activity page, you'll see a list of your recent transactions. These are typically displayed with key information like the date, the recipient or sender, a brief description, and the amount. Scroll through your activity feed until you find the specific transaction you need. For older transactions, you might use the search bar or adjust date range filters, usually available on the activity page, to quickly narrow your search. Once you've identified the correct transaction, simply click on its entry. This action opens a more detailed view, providing all the specifics related to that particular transaction. Once you've clicked on a transaction, you'll be taken to a dedicated page showing all the granular details for that specific activity. This page includes information like the transaction ID, sender and recipient details, item description if applicable, transaction type, and any associated fees. This is where you'll find the option to print. Your second step is to click on Print Details. Look for a button or link labeled Print Details, or Print, somewhere prominent on this page, often near the top right or bottom of the transaction information. When you click Print Details, your web browser's print dialog box will typically appear. This dialog allows you to choose your printer, select the number of copies, and adjust layout settings. This is also where you decide if you want a physical printout or a digital save. Most modern systems offer Save as PDF as an alternative to a physical printer. We highly recommend saving as PDF for digital records. It creates a universal document, preserving formatting for easy storage and sharing. Always review the print preview to ensure everything looks correct before finalizing the printing process or saving the PDF. You can adjust margins, scale, and other print dialog settings to ensure the information fits perfectly on your page.